All right. On any of those calls, did I ever proclaim myself to be a sovereign citizen?
Objection, Your Honor, not relevant.
Overruled. You can answer again.
I can't recall if you have or not.
Okay. All right, that's all on the jail calls. Do you have a copy of the complaint that you swore to?
Not sitting here with me, no, sir. The only thing I have is this transcript you provided me.
Okay. Let's see if I can find it here. Is that the complaint portion that you swore to?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in there, you said that I proclaim myself to be a sovereign citizen. What information do you base that upon?
Based off of my past dealings with people that are anti-government, normally claim themselves to be sovereign citizens.
Okay, so have you had any past dealings with me?
I have not.
Okay, and do you have evidence that I'm anti-government?
Your continued responses to how things are dealt with, and your refusal of the current governmental process.
And what's that based upon? That analysis.
Your continued filings with the writs for habeas corpus and your continued Sesquiview accounts of, or as we heard yesterday.
So, utilizing the judiciary system is anti-government?
No, when it comes to filing multiple pieces of paper saying that you do not recognize, or that you've, I'm not sure what the wording you used, when you disassociate yourself with governmental process.
And where are those, the evidence that I've disassociated myself with governmental process?
You said it yesterday multiple times in your YouTube video that you repatriated, I think is the verbiage that you used.
It would be expatriated.
Okay, expatriated yourself. So you expatriated yourself from the current governmental process, and you do not recognize our governmental dealings. Is how I take it?
Okay. So are you saying that a valid act of Congress is not recognized by this government that is in power?
Objection, Your Honor, it's not relevant.
Well, it's calling for this witness to give a legal conclusion, which this witness is not entitled to give. No witness is entitled to give legal opinions. The court decides the law. Objection is sustained.
Okay. Okay. Can you identify evidence you had at the time of any of these statements that you're making?
At what point?
At the point of, I mean, we're talking about this sworn complaint.
I mean, we've went past the complaint and we've went somewhere else, so I'm not sure what your question is in regards to what.
Okay, the evidence that I proclaim myself to be a sovereign citizen. Would you read that off there? It's your statement, your sworn statement. And there was somewhere in there where you said, I proclaim myself to be a sovereign citizen. Most likely it would be at the very beginning, because I started at the top and went down.
Which part?
Self-proclaimed, I think you may have put it as. I'm sorry, you have my only copy, so I don't have a copy.
I'm asking you what part you would like me to read.
The part where you said self-proclaimed.
How far back would you like me to read?
That sentence.
Your Honor, can I show this to him? I'm not sure where he wants me to read. It's a rather large sentence.
Do you want me to approach him? I'm sorry, I only have one copy. Okay, it'll be this one right here.
So where do you want me to start?
Yeah, you can start right there, that's fine.
That word involving / led by Thomas Deegan, a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen.
Okay, so at that time you made that sworn statement, what evidence did you have of that?
As of that date, I'd listened to the conference call. I'd listened to several YouTube videos.
Well, specifically for that statement, that's a sworn statement and a complaint to a magistrate court. And so there's got to be a factual basis behind that statement. Where did you get those facts from?
Objection, Your Honor, asked and answered.
Well, if he's already answered the question, then he can answer it the same way. But that is a little bit of a different question. So if you can answer it, please do.
Can you have him repeat his question, please, Your Honor?
I'm not sure exactly how I phrased that one. The facts to sustain that sworn statement that I'm self-proclaimed. So, where did I proclaim myself to be a sovereign citizen?
I'm not exactly sure where you stated it.
how could you swear a statement to something that you're not sure?
As of right now, I'm not sure exactly where that came from, is what I'm stating.
Okay.
There's been countless of hours of watching video and since this date.
But that would have been after this date. Up until the date of that complaint, which was 22nd or 23rd, I'm not sure which. I don't think the date really matters, it's so close in time. The facts that sustained that sworn statement.
I'm not sure where it came from.
Okay, in that sworn statement. Now, I am correct that those are sworn when you make a complaint and file a complaint in magistrate court. That is sworn or affirmed. Some sort of oath is taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you recall what that is that's taken when you go in with a complaint? The verbiage?
Of what?
The oath or affirmation, whatever they may call it.
Objection, Your Honor, it's not relevant.
Overruled. You may answer if you can.
You just stated what it is, and it's an oath or an affirmation.
No, the verbiage of it.
You want me to recite it?
Yeah, if you remember, yes.
I don't remember the exact verbiage.
Can you give a rough account of it?
I would assume that it would probably be about what the Madam Clerk read to me when she swore me in just a minute ago to tell the truth.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
But I'm not sure what the exact verbiage is. But
Okay. No, that was fine. That's fine.